Have you noticed that Google Images feels different lately? You search for a photo, but instead of a simple gallery, you get recommendations and AI-generated suggestions. It feels like the search engine is trying to tell you what you want to see before you even find it. This isn't just a small update to the layout. Google is fundamentally changing how we discover visual information. Your search results are becoming AI recommendations. Search engines have been the gateway to all visual discovery on the internet. This fundamental shift changes how we interact with the entire web. For 20 years, Google Images worked like a giant library. You typed in a word, and Google found every image tagged with that word. It was a simple match. But now, Google is moving from indexing to inference. Instead of just matching words, the AI is guessing the intent behind your search. It's not just looking for a picture, it's trying to understand the concept you're thinking of. The move from pure indexing to AI inference is the single biggest change in search history since Google first launched. Every assumption you had about how search works is now obsolete. This is where it gets interesting. In the old way, you got a list of images that matched your keywords. In the new way, Google uses a recommendation engine. It looks at your past behavior and what other people liked. Suddenly, your search for a red car isn't just about red cars, it's about what the AI thinks you'll find appealing. The line between searching and being suggested has completely disappeared. Recommendation engines were originally built for Netflix and YouTube. Now they are embedded directly into what was once a neutral search result page, changing the nature of information retrieval forever. This creates a feedback loop. Every time you click an AI-recommended image, you're training the system. You're telling Google, yes, this is the kind of thing I like. The AI then narrows your world, showing you more of the same and hiding things that don't fit your profile. You aren't exploring the whole internet anymore, you're exploring a mirror of your own previous choices. The feedback loop runs silently in the background every single time you use Google. Over months and years, it builds a remarkably detailed picture of your visual preferences, interests, and even your emotional state. The biggest loss here is serendipity. That's the magic of finding something you weren't even looking for. When AI recommends everything, you stop seeing the weird, the unexpected, and the truly different. Your visual world shrinks. You're seeing a curated version of reality designed to keep you clicking, not to help you discover something brand new. Serendipity has always been the hidden engine of human creativity and innovation. When algorithms remove it entirely, entire categories of ideas, art, and culture become invisible to you. So, how does it actually happen? First, the AI analyzes your intent, not just your words. Then, it looks at your user profile and compares you to millions of other people. It predicts which images will keep you on the page the longest. Finally, it delivers a grid of recommendations that feel personalized, but are actually designed to maximize your time spent on Google. Understanding how the algorithm chooses its recommendations gives you a critical advantage. Once you know what signals it listens to, you can deliberately search in ways that break you out of the filter bubble. The difference between classic search and AI recommendations is enormous. In classic search, you controlled the query and got objective results. But with AI recommendations, the algorithm controls what you see. You get a personalized filter, not an open window to the web. Your results are shaped by an invisible hand designed to keep you engaged. The difference between old search and new recommendations is not just technical. It is a fundamental philosophical shift in who controls the information you receive and who benefits from your attention. The way you find images online will never be the same. Google has made a choice to prioritize engagement over discovery, and that choice has consequences for all of us. Stay aware of how your digital environment is being shaped. Question what you see, seek out new sources, and remember that the algorithm works for Google, not for you. The future of search is being written right now, and every click you make is part of that story. Stay curious, stay critical, and never stop asking who benefits from what you see. Thanks for watching.